Hi, I'm Ray. Well, I think I found a good deal in Lidl today from Parkside. If you need a Parkside 20-volt battery, don't buy the battery, buy the drill instead. So let me show you why the drill is free. So the standard 2 amp 20-volt battery is on the market for £14.99 in Lidl, and they also sell a charger which is £7.99. So that's a total price of £22.48. But you can buy this entire kit, including drill, battery and charger, for £19.99. So it's going to save you £3 and get a power tool free. So let's have a look and see what's in this box. So if we take a look at the cordless drill, 20-volt cordless drill with driver, battery and with charger. Torque settings, 19+1 drill level. Max torque is 35 Nm. Max drilling diameter 25mm in wood, 10mm in metal. Drill chuck clamping width is 0.8 to 10mm. Rotation speed, first gear 0 to 350 RPM, second gear 0 to 1300 RPM. Accessories, drill bit, battery, charger, and it's part of the X 20-volt team, and it comes with a 3-year warranty. Leon technology, and that's wonderful. So have a look inside. We've got a nice hard standing case. Two clips, and we've got our drill. We've got instructions, cordless drill, charger and rechargeable battery. We've got our drill, we've got our chuck in place and our battery. Parkside 20-volt team, and this is a 20-volt 2 amp battery. So good job. So it's not quite the standard hard wearing drill, but it's a good little drill for doing odd jobs, especially for around the allotment, flat pack furniture, etc. And that's looking really good. It's quite sturdy, rubber handles, and we've got charge. We've got a light, which is handy. Reverse, backwards, reverse, backwards. We've got our torque around the edge from 1 right through to 19. And 2 speeds, 1, 2. There we go. And that is the Parkside 20-volt drill. So the charger does look a bit cheap and cheerful. It's not your standard fast charging. It's a 1 amp charger, so it will do the job and it will still charge those batteries. So is it a hammer drill? Well, it's certainly not a hammer drill, and it'd be great for like allotment jobs around the allotment, fixing up bits of wood, doing flat pack furniture, just small jobs around the house, and it's looking really, really good. But the only thing is, it's from the middle of Lidl, so when it's gone, it's gone. So a final verdict, it's just pretty good. It's pretty good. It's ideal just for a handy little drill, and if you're already part of the Parkside 20 volt team, it's a cheap way to get a spare battery and a backup drill. And if you're new to Parkside range, this is a perfect early entry model. So just don't wait, go and get one now with your free drill and battery. Cheers!